Welcome to MathGPT. Today, let's learn how to convert inches to centimeters. We'll walk through the conversion process using 4 inches as an example, and we'll use the conversion factor that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is a common conversion factor that is precise enough for most practical purposes. Let's start with our given conversion factor. We know that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. We'll keep this in mind as we perform our calculation. Imagine we have a ruler, and you can see that each inch on the ruler can be represented by 2.54 centimeters when converted. This conversion factor helps us relate the two measurement units. Let's set the stage for an example of this conversion. Here's the formula we use to convert lengths in inches to lengths in centimeters. We multiply the number of inches by 2.54 to get the result in centimeters. This formula is universal, so you can use it for any length measurement in inches that you want to convert to centimeters. Let's apply the general formula in our specific example to convert 4 inches to centimeters. The length in cm is equal to 4 times 2.54, making the math straightforward, as we use the conversion factor we know. Our final result is that 4 inches is equal to 10.16 centimeters. Conversion is an important skill in both science and day-to-day life, so mastering it is very useful. Remember our conversion factor and the formula we use today, and you'll find it easier to flexibly work across different measurement units.